Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So we know that Apple has announced 4 different devices and each device is being protected by a new material that has been introduced in the iPhone device this year by Apple, and that is going to be a ceramic shield. There is going to be a diamond like pattern inside the glass that has been introduced, and as Apple claims, this is going to be 4 times stronger than the previous generations of glass that has been introduced in the iPhone 11. So that claim naturally has an impact, and many of the YouTubers online tested out the drop resistance of that device. But do keep in mind one thing, that Apple has introduced this ceramic shield only on the front of the display, and there is no ceramic shield protection on the back side. And even we don't know about the back, what kind of glass that has been introduced on the back. Now moving on towards the test that has been performed by PhoneBuff, and according to that test, the second drop from the back side of both the Apple iPhone 12 has less resistance on its back glass and it breaks immediately. After a few drops on the back side, it's gone worse on iPhone 12, where the iPhone 12 Pro has a much more durable glass on the back side, which has held up the impact from the back side. Moving on the front side, there are certainly many drops on the concrete and also on the metal, and since both of these devices are coming with a ceramic shield, both have absorbed the impact quite well. Even there was a bonus round, and that bonus round dropped the phone from 1.5-meter height for 10 times, and still both of these devices are pretty much strong on the front side, which indicates that the ceramic shield that has been introduced by Apple and their claim of 4 times more powerful than previous generation of glasses is true. Another thing which is most important, and that is going to be the warranty repair cost of these phones. So the warranty screen repair will cost you $280, same as the iPhone 11 Pro screen. This test is all about the drop resistance, but earlier indications are that ceramic shield is more resistant to scratches as well. So guys, what do you think about this ceramic shield? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and also press the bell notification icon to keep yourself updated regarding the latest news which I upload on my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.